In this lecture, you will start working on the pizza store use case. You will first create a pizza interface with 3 methods on it. You will then create the different types of pizza classes that implement that interface. And of course, the pizza store class, which will create the different types of pizzas based on the order. So the pizza store will have a order pizza method on it. We'll first create these classes and the pizza store. We'll implement the factory pattern in the next lecture. So get started by going to STS, go to core patterns, right click on source folder, say new interface pizza. And this will go into a package called patterns.factory. Hit finish. Double click to maximize. The first method is void prepare the pizza using the dough and everything. Next is bake the pizza in the oven, and finally cut the pizza. Do a Ctrl Shift F2 format, and we have our pizza interface. Next, we need to create classes. Right click on the package, new class, start with plain cheese pizza. Click on the add button, search for pizza and select pizza, hit OK, finish. Delete all the to-dos by hitting Ctrl D. Add sysout within double quotes, preparing cheese pizza. You can copy this sysout, select it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V in the other methods. Change it to baking in the bake method, and finally cutting into slices in the cut method. Do a Ctrl Shift F2 format. Creating the rest of the pizzas is easy. Copy the cheese pizza, Ctrl C on it, paste it on the same package. Change the name to chicken pizza, remove the 2 at the end, hit OK. Open up the chicken pizza and change this cheese to chicken. Copy it, paste it in bake and also cut. The last type of pizza is the veggie pizza. So copy one of the pizzas, paste it, change it to veggie pizza. Hit OK. Open up the veggie pizza, change chicken to veggie. Copy it, paste it on chicken. So we have all the classes and the interface. Now we can create the pizza store, which will handle the orders for us. Right click, new class, call it pizza store. Finish. Double click to maximize it. The pizza store will have a method called order pizza. Public, it will return a pizza back, whoever orders for a pizza. Order pizza, depending on the type of pizza they want, string type. And within the order pizza method, we will create a pizza. Pizza P is equal to null. If type dot equals within double quotes cheese, open brackets or braces, P is equal to new cheese pizza. So based on the type, we are creating the correct pizza, and we will return that back at the end of the method. Return P. Else if type dot equals within double quotes chicken, P is equal to new chicken pizza. Else if type dot equals within double quotes veggie, P is equal to new veggie pizza. And we then invoke P dot prepare. We have created the instance of it. P dot bake and finally p dot cut, and then we can return the pizza back. So you have successfully created all the pizza types, and also you have used or instantiated those pizzas directly without using the factory pattern inside the pizza store. You have also prepared, baked and cut the pizza. We will test this in the next lecture.